What'd you have for breakfast this morning, Hunter? Did you have some blueberries? You had some blueberries?
Yeah.
Were they yummy? Yeah. Did you eat them with a spoon all by yourself?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's good.
Hi.
Hi, honey.
Hi.
Can you say I love you? Yeah. You can have blueberries more often? Yeah. Do you like blueberries? Yep. They're good for you, aren't they?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.